So if you can sort of put yourself back in your brain of maybe being a 12-year-old, if I had asked you, what do you think about Yiddish, or what do you think about being Jewish, what might you have responded?
I didn't think about being Jewish, that's for sure. About Yiddish and our whole household, I would maybe respond that they're just my grandmother's way. And what my mother does, for example, with a chicken or something, she also did on the request of my grandmother. I would never think it would be important for my mother as well. But I never, ever would eat meat with milk because I was said it is not healthy for you. And when I began to read American literature and translations, and when I would come upon a passage that someone would have a turkey sandwich and after that a glass of milk, I would shudder. It was so ingrained. I would believe that it would make me sick, totally sick. They never, of course, explain a real reason, but also they were my mother's ways. She wouldn't do that as well. So there were some things that I would, maybe if you pressed me, I would say, we do that at home. It's our home ways. But I would never perceive them as Jewish ways.